Welcome students. Today we are going to continue the chapter Gift of the Nature. Students, in the previous class we have discussed about Nauru, a small island country in the Pacific. This country was once rich because of its natural resources, but now it has become poor due to the depletion of the same. Now let's check what are resources. Those things useful to man are called the resources. The things directly obtained from nature and are useful to man are called the natural resources. Resources are called as the gift of nature. Rocks, minerals, soil, rivers, etc. are resources. A river, as a gift of nature, becomes a resource when it is used for irrigation, transportation, to produce energy, etc. Like this, when a man identifies the use of a natural thing, it becomes a resource. Some resources are living things and the rest are non-living things. The living resources are called biotic resources and non-living resources are called abiotic resources. Resources can be classified as renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources which do not exhaust ever after repeated use. Wind, water, sunlight, soil, etc. are the examples of renewable resources. Resources get exhausted due to their uncontrolled use by human beings. Such resources are called non-renewable resources. Coal, natural gas, petroleum, iron ore, etc. are examples. What are man-made resources? Resources made by man with the help of suitable tools, equipments and technology are known as man-made resources. Roads, vehicles, building, furniture, etc. are the examples of this. Okay students, today we have discussed about resources and different types of resources. We will continue this chapter in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.